What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. We're going to be doing an unboxing video today. I'm really excited to be bringing you guys the Simfonio Simpot pressure cooker. I've seen these pressure cookers in YouTube for the last few weeks, and I was really curious because they have a really nice digital display and they look nicer than a lot of the current pressure cookers that are out there. So I wanted to give this one a whirl. I ordered it on Amazon and received it within a day for under $100. This is a beautiful looking pressure cooker. We're going to cook some white beans in it and see how it performs. So let's get right to work. Alright, so it comes in this box, and as you can see there, it looks really nice. It has a picture on the outside. It's a 10-in-1 multifunction programmable pressure cooker, one button cooking, 70% shorter time. I guess you can sync it to their website, Smart Shop, Simpot.shop. This is their website if you guys want to go and order directly through them, or get any information for more recipes and tips. So that's Simpot.shop on Google. So the manufacturer and importer is Simfonio from Chula Vista, California, USA, and it comes with a 4.5-inch digital display, which is really nice, a lot bigger than a lot of the other pressure cooker. So it's been FDA certified and inspected for food containers from USA. So that's really nice. You know that it's been inspected by the FDA for safety for the containers and all of that. We're going to go ahead and open. Really well packaged with a nice styrofoam guard. Make sure it doesn't get damaged. It's also got one on the bottom. Wow. Right off the bat, I can see that this is really well put together. It's got some nice weight to it. It comes with an extra lining. They sent a nice little note explaining a little bit about the product right here with their social media accounts. Wow, really nice stainless steel. The lid is well put together. It has in here, it comes with two utensils. One of them is like a spoon, and then another ladle type, which is really nice. A measuring cup. Wow, I saw these on other videos and I was hoping that they were in here. I wasn't sure. I guess they were inside the pressure cooker. They are super nice. These are like silicone mitts, and they are great for grabbing stuff. I really like them. I saw another YouTuber that got them also with their pressure cooker. So it's a nice accessory to have. The cord on these is actually detachable. So most pressure cookers that I've seen come with the attached cord. With this, if you have a problem with the cord, you could always change it. So I think that makes it more durable. It's really nice to have a heavy duty gauge cord, so you know that you're not going to have any electrical problems. You know that it's 300 volt capacity on it, so really good high quality heavy duty cord. This is the steamer basket, well put together. It's got these lifts on the bottom, so you can put the water underneath. A little bit of silicone on the top so you don't burn your hands when you take it out. Put your vegetables. It's a good size. You can get a pretty good amount of vegetables in there. Really nice. And inside we have this really nice heavy duty stainless steel pot, and it has all the markings inside so you know exactly how much, and they're indented, so they will always be there. You don't have to worry about them getting worn out or anything like that. Really big displayed numbers. so you can see them really well. That's really nice. And this is really heavy duty stainless steel. Very nice and very well put together. It also has a max line inside showing you, what's the max that you can put food into. So that's really good. Here is the display. I'm going to bring you guys in a little bit closer so I'll give you a more detailed look, and I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Alright guys, so I have here about 4 cups of white navy beans, and these beans are pretty notorious for being tough. I didn't soak these, I just took them straight out of the bag, rinsed them, and now I am putting them into 4 liters of water. I'm going to put them into the Simfonio pressure cooker, and we're going to test to see how they turn out. I'm going to probably do them in the chili setting, or the bean settings if it has, and we'll see how they come out. So let's put them in, and I'm going to show you guys the display and see how that works out. Alright guys, so here is the display. You just push this button in to get it to light up, and this knob, you turn it, and it's got poultry, soup, it's got bean chili, it's got porridge, and you can scroll through the sides there to highlight whichever one you want it to be on. So we're going to try to do this under, let me see if I can get it, to bean chili, which is, it has an automatic setting for timing for 30 minutes, high pressure, and I think that should be medium temperature. So in order to get this started, we can put it on a delay start if we want. If we want it to start, let's say 8 hours from now or 6 hours from now, we can set that up so it can start cooking then, or we can just press this in, and that should give us automatic preheating. And what is happening right now, this is spinning and it's building up pressure. When it builds up enough pressure in the cooker, it will begin the countdown on the timer, which is 30-minute countdown. So we're going to let that go. It says preheating, as you can see there at the top. It's got a little graph, and really nice and easy to read. Beautiful display. We're going to let it do its thing, and then it should start counting down the minutes. We'll see how that works out. Okay, so that little sequence that was there, that was going around in circles, has now stopped, and it says cooking up here, and it has moved a little further down that line there. Let me see if I can get it. The top is going to be hot, so I got to be careful. So you see if you can guys see it a little bit better. This little line up here, bar, has moved further down. So very easy to understand, very easy to use. So now we got 30 minutes of pressure cooking to finish cooking the beans. It has built enough pressure inside the pressure cooker, and there it goes, 29 minutes. So we got 29 minutes left. Once it's done, then it should beep, and we can release the pressure and see how soft those white beans became from being dried beans. So I'll bring you guys back when it's almost ready to go, and see how tender they get. Okay, so the timer went off on this. It has a nice loud beep, and it says keep warm now. It's got 3 minutes on the timer there. It should keep warm even after that timer is out. It has different settings that you can set it for. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to the top and release the pressure from the valve. I'll bring you guys in so you can see how that goes. Okay, so the pressure valve is right here. Oops. The pressure valve is right there. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to move it over to venting like that, and you're going to leave it until all of that steam is released, and that's what builds up inside to cook your beans. So we're going to let that go until it releases all that pressure, and then we'll come back and open it. Alright, so the valve stopped with the steam, and then there's a prompt that makes a little noise, lets you know basically that the pressure is all released. So now it should be safe to open. Makes a noise, let you know that it's open. And there is our beans. I'm gonna go ahead and take out just a little bit of the beans to show you guys. Oh yeah, these are definitely tenderized. You can tell, look at how tender these are. I mean, you just press them and they get completely turned to paste. So really, really good job at cooking them. I mean, these are awesome. I can't believe it. 30 minutes and we went from some dry beans to just totally tender, perfectly cooked beans. Look at that, guys. They're just touching it with a spoon a little bit and they become mush. That is great. I have another pressure cooker. I'm not gonna put down any brands because it is a good pressure cooker. I love it. I've used it for a long time. But if you guys watch some of my videos, sometimes I have to cook beans when they're dried for a couple of runs, and they still don't end up tender. So this is amazing. I think that it seems to get a lot more pressure, or something that they have done with this new technology over at Simfonio, that the beans come out really tender. I am very impressed. I love the pressure cooker. I love the display that it has. Super innovative, nice digital big display. I also love that the cord is detachable. So far I really like it, and it's a nice size for cooking for the family. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to provide the link below to the Simfonio website so you guys can do more research and go look at one of these beauties. They're under $100 on Amazon, which to me is incredible. I have paid much more than that for other pressure cookers in the past, and I really like this one. I hope you guys enjoy it and you learn about it and order yourself one, because this is an amazing value for under $100. So see you guys really soon on the next one, and you will be seeing some more recipes with my new Simfonio pressure cooker. See you soon.